Hi, I'm Ray. Today we're in our makeshift greenhouse tunnel and we've got Grow Your Own and Kitchen Garden magazines, and these are for April, and we're going to give you a view of the seeds that are available. So first we'll have a look at Kitchen Garden. So this is April 2022 and this costs £5.99, and both of these magazines are bought from Tesco's, and the seeds do vary from different supermarkets and they also vary from subscription. So this is what we purchased at Tesco's, £5.99, and we've got free 10 packets of seeds plus claim 10 free strawberry plants. And harvest food from your garden, greener gardening, go peat free, plastic free plant labels, and a growing guide, succeed with leeks, beans and tasty berries, and product reviews on greenhouses, essential tools for beginners. So let's have a look at what seeds we've got with Kitchen Garden. So we've got 10 packets, and the first we've got is a tomato, and this is Cure Debut, and this is a large meaty heart-shaped fruit. It's up to 200 grams each, intermediate, which needs support outdoor or greenhouse, excellent source of vitamin C. So these can be sown January, February, March, April, plant out May, June, and harvest from July through to October. And we have 50 seeds, and now we've got Mr. Fothergill seeds with these, and it's a recommended price of £1.95. The next we got is Parsnip, and this is Tender and True. We haven't got any parsnip seeds, so this is quite good to have the latest ones. Long smooth skin roots, exhibition quality, shows some resistance to canker and has good flavour. So these can be sown outdoors February, March, April, May, and harvest from October through to the following January. And we've got 250 seeds in that packet. The next we have is onion, and this is Spring White Lisbon, ideal onion for tasty salads and stir fries. Quick growing and has mild flavour. So these can be sown March, April, May, June, July, and harvest from May right through to October. And we have 325 seeds. So that's good, we're getting some seeds that we can sow from March onwards now. And then we got a spinach, and this is beet perpetual spinach. Delicious spinach substitute, but easy to grow. High yields of nutritious greens, resist bolting in summer. So this can be sown outdoors March, April, May, June, July, and harvest June right through to October. And we get 50 seeds in that packet. That's looking good. And then we got some radish, and this is Sparkler 3. It's a nice round red radish. This is one of the quickest and easiest vegetables to grow. So between other crops before they mature, excellent source of vitamin C. So these can be sown February right through to September and harvest May right through to November. And we get 500 seeds. So that's a good first selection. The second lot we got with the Kitchen Garden is broccoli. And this is Autumn Green Calabrese, a healthy late summer autumn vegetable. Delicious steamed, stir fried or raw. So these can be sown outdoors in March, April, or sown indoors March, April, May. Plant out May, June, and harvest from September, October, November. So we get 125 seeds in that packet, and that is broccoli green calabrese. The next we got is a turnip, and this is purple top Milan. Mild tasting early turnips are quick to mature. Ideal for growing between rows of slower growing veg. So these can be sown March, April, May, June, July, and harvest from June right through to October. And we get 875 seeds. So we want a lot of turnips. There's pretty much in there. And then the next one we got is a leek. And this is elephant. I've not heard of elephant before. This is a hardy and reliable, long, thick, tasty shanks. Good overwinter variety with excellent flavour. So these can be sown January, February, out indoors, or sown outdoors March, April. Plant out May, June, July, and harvest October through the following March. And we get 250 seeds. So that's pretty good. Elephant Leek. The next we got is some celery, and this is green sleeves. And this is almost stringless pale green flesh, great crunch and flavour, easy to grow, stands well and is slow to bolt. These can be sown indoors March, April, May, plant out May, June, and harvest August through to November. And we get 100 seeds. So that's celery. And then the last one we got is a lettuce, and this is salad bowl red and green mixed. Attractive oak leaf shape, slow to bolt, pick individual leaves or whole non-hurting heads. So these can be sown outdoors March, April, May, June, July, August, and harvest from April right through to October. And we get 625 seeds in that packet. So it's quite a nice assortment of seeds. We'll have a look at the magazine. It's sow time for squashes, leeks, carrots, potatoes, simple guides. Grow better beans and berries. Labels, ditch the plastics, it says Emily. And buyer's guide to greenhouses. Make your front garden a veg haven. Build a new plot from scratch with Stephanie Hafferty. And then we've got claim 10 free strawberry plants worth $14.95. Just going to start with raining again. Just typical because today was allotment day, but never mind. And then the next one we're going to do is our Grow Your Own magazine. And as we say, this is bought from Tesco's, so other products might be different in different stores. But in this one we do have a pair of gloves. But we notice the price is £7.99. So they've added another £1 for an extra pair of gloves. So we've got 10 packs of seeds, your spring starter kit, and then simple products. How to go organic, create a big impact for a small budget plot, start a community space, the best tomatoes to grow this year, make your own planters, and then do tips at the bottom. So let's have a look at what we've got in here. Just about to rain again, and it's set in for most of the day today. So we've got our gloves, and we've got 2 packets of seeds, and our magazine. So let's have a look at what we got. The first packet we got, this is Grow Your Own magazine, and this is a Leek, and these are also Mr. Fotheringhill's seeds. And this is Leek Porbella, heavy yields of very upright shanks which are slow to bolt. Reliable dark-leaved, hardy variety with excellent flavour. These can be started January, February, indoors, so outdoors March, April, and plant out May, June, July, harvest October, November. And we get 100 seeds. The next one we got is lamb's lettuce, and this is flavour. Distinctive, mild flavoured, known as corn salad. Used for salads as whole heads or single leaves. So this can be sown outdoors April, May, June, July, August, and harvest from May right through to November. And we get 175 seeds with the lamb's lettuce. The next one we got is Chervil, and this is called Simple, and it's a half hardy annual, can be grown in pots, easy to grow, one of the classic fine herbs. A delicate refined flavour, also called gourmet parsley. And this can be sown all year round, January right through to December, and harvest all the way right through to December. And can be sown outdoors from March and right through till July. And we get 500 seeds. So that is Chervil. The next one we got is a tomato, and this is Mini Bell. Sweet tomatoes for patio containers and baskets. So that's a good one to know. Bush tomato with short stems and a compact habit. productive, determinate variety, no need to stake. So these can be started off indoors, March, April, plant out May, June, and harvest from October, September, October. And we get 50 seeds. And I haven't got many mini tomatoes. This is an ideal one, and ideal to grow in containers too. So I might do some of those in the house. The next one we got is onion, and this is evergreen bunching. It's a hardly solid onion which stands throughout the winter. Crispy, non-bulbing with mild flavour. So this can be sown from March right through to September and harvest from October right through to the following March. And they've got 175 seeds in that packet. So the next bundle we've got is the cauliflower, and this is Romanesco Natalino, and this is an unusual spiral florets, crisp texture and distinctive flavour. Grow for baby heads to eat whole or as full size. So these can be sown indoors April, May, and sown outdoors from April through to July, and plant out in May, June, and harvest from July right through to December. And we get 100 seeds. That's Romanesco. I did try Romanesco on my first year and it didn't really work. And the next one we got is Chard, and this is a rhubarb chard called Vulcan. These can be cooked like spinach. Stems are tasty too. Baby leaves are great in salads. So these can be sown outdoors April, May, June, July, and harvest from July right through to November. And we get 60 seeds in that packet. The next one we got is garlic chives. And last year I really wanted to grow the garlic chives and I totally forgot. And this is a hardy perennial, can be grown in pots as an annual. Flat leaves with a subtle taste, great for herb butter. The flowers are edible as well, it's pretty. Try and stir fries. This can be sown indoors all year round, January right through to December, and harvest all the way through the whole year. And we get 150 seeds in that packet. And that's garlic chives, and I must get some in. Do some of those. The next one we've got is tarragon, and this is Russian. It's a hardy perennial, can be grown as an annual. Hardier and easier to grow than French tarragon. Great in dressings or with poultry and fish dishes. So this can be sown indoors February, March, April, plant out May, June, and harvest from May right through to October. And we get 350 seeds. And the last one we got in the packets for grow your own is onion, and it's Red Baron. And these can be sown January, February, March, indoors and outdoors March, April, and so outdoors and plant out in May, and then harvest in August, September. And we get 75 seeds. And this is Red Baron, high yields of full flavour, blood red globes, uniform quality onions which store well. And we get 75 seeds. So that's all the packets of seeds we got with Grow Your Own. And we've also got a pair of gloves, extra grip garden gloves, super grip, breathable back, ideal for home and garden. And this is from Roots and Shoots. And if you have a look, stuck together. And here we go. Quite a small glove that they would do. All stick together. And there we go, 3 pair of gloves. So, not bad for in the garden with a breathable back. There we go. And we have a quick look at the magazine. Grow Your Own. 3 strawberry Cambridge favourites worth £19.98, plus over £80 of savings. Grow like a RHS Pro. Simple tips for perfect carrots. How to build plant supports. Essential Dahlia Masterclass. Small budget ideas. How to create a great plot for less. And a garden checklist. The jobs to tick off for your best year yet. Growing community. and 10 top tomatoes, all-time best varieties to sow today. So there we go. That's the two magazines, Kitchen Garden and Grow Your Own magazines with their seed reviews. So let me know, have you purchased any of these magazines? And let me know what you think. But I think there's quite a good variety of seeds in both of those magazines today. So not bad at all, and I will be using some of those. So if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more videos. And let me know in the comments, are you growing any of those varieties? That'd be great. So thank you very much. Cheers!